Alright. Hey everybody, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to Usman Trading Floor, the one of the best YouTube channel for Forex education on YouTube. And I'm your host Usman Hamza on Usman Trading Floor YouTube channel. And I'm happy to have all of you here with me once again on the breakdown video. Yeah, but the first thing first, if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our live streams that we do in pre-London to London session every day. And yeah, and like as you all know, I said this on my live stream, I will start sharing breakdown of trades after every month where we will explain every trade that will be taken in that month. Today I've got a special video for you, a detailed breakdown of every trade we took in our November live streams. So as you all know, in trading there are some losses, there are some wins, and we did the same thing. We got some winners, we got some losses, we got some break evens, but we learned the lessons from every trade, because in trading, you know, every move is an opportunity to grow in your trading journey. But before we jumped into the charts, let me quickly remind you to give this video a like if you find it valuable. It really helps the channel to grow as quickly as possible, and I'll appreciate each and every one of your likes. And yeah, like without further delay, let's analyze the trades we executed live. I'll be sharing like strategies, reason behind every move, and that will be helpful with whether you are a pro trader or you are just beginner. This breakdown is packed with like some golden nuggets that you shouldn't want to miss. And what you have to did, you just have to stick around till the end and you will gain valuable knowledge that will help you to grow in your trading journey. So let's see on the charts. Like you can see here, my account balance is now $5,053. Now I'm up 1%. If we go to the trading history, you can see this. Like we have some trades that were taken in the November, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So there are 15 trades, and some of them are losses, some of them are wins. So let's go to the trades one by one. So first trade was taken, it was, yeah, 1st of November. So let's go to this trade. Like where we took this trade, I think we are at 31st of October. So here is the trade. So you can see now, like trend was down, we were coming down, and I was only looking for sells there. As I came to the charts, that was the 4-hour candle open, and when it was coming up, I said to this, hey guys, listen, I am only looking for sells there because 4-hour candle closed bearish, and this candle is just coming up to create a top wick, and this candle closed above the range, and this candle, as this candle closed bearish under the range, I said to the traders, hey man, I have a sell stop. And you can see on the 15-minute time frame, executed the trade as this candle break the low of the previous candle, just got in, stop loss was 15 pips, and this candle closed bearish, and as this candle like came down without a top wick, so I was like, I closed like half at in like 8 pips. I was like, man, this is the first day of the month, so I should have secured something. So I closed the full trade in like 21 22 pips, but that was a beautiful start of the week, of the month, of the week. So that was the second trade that was taken on the live stream, and that was on the 7th of November. Let's go to the 7th of November. So you can see some markups there. We have 6. All right. So yeah, I know this trade. So look at this. Same thing. Trend was down. We were waiting for some sort of a structure. Let's let's remove all these sheets that we have. All right, so I was waiting for like some kind of a green candle so we can like take a sell there. Like as you all know, like this candle closed bullish. I was like, yeah, that's it. Now all I need is like a deeper pullback. If it create a resistance there, I'll go for a sell. If it create a resistance there, I will go for a sell. And this candle closed below this range. So I was like, all right. So I took the trade as this candle open, and my stop loss was above this candle, and I did the same thing. Like there was no volume. I did the same thing. As this candle filled this wick, I close half and I close full at 15, no, 18 pips. I closed full trade at 18 pips, then it came down further like 40 pips there. So that's it. I think like I'm still a beginner, and I think we are learning from this stuff. And this is the third trades that was taken on the live stream, and that was on the 10th of November. Let's go to this trade. 10th of November. Oh wow, yeah, I know this. So as we all know, we were waiting for the breakout. uh, we were waiting for the breakout. We were waiting for the candle to close below the range. So what happened? This candle closed below the range. So what we did, we just take the trade there, and stop loss was like 10 pips. I was like, yeah man, it is 1 to 1 now. So I just like secure half at 12, 11, 12 pips, and I just secure half. I may secure like full there or 80% there, but I secure half there. And I was like, if it like drives, it will give me some move there, but it stopped me out and then it came up. So that was another beautiful trade, breakout trade. And now we have to look at this loss there. And yeah, I remember this loss because how can I forget the loss? I can forget my wins, but I can't forget my loss. So that was the range there. Before the pre-London, I see this moves up, and I was like, yeah, boom, done. This 4-hour candle closed bearish, so this may be the top wick for the 4-hour candle. And as this candle closed bearish, but it closed with no wick at the bottom on the 30-minute time frame. But I really want to take this trade, and because we didn't take the trade in 2 days, and I was about to, like I was at the day I was forcing the trade, and I was like, no man, I have to take this trade because this is the on the onion play setup, and I don't want to miss the onion play setup. Then I go to the 1 hour time frame and I see a little weak. I was like, yeah, because I was finding the reason to take the trade. And what I did, I execute the trade. It came like in 7 8 pips in profit, but I didn't move my stop loss to break even. I didn't do anything because I really want to see this move down like 30 20, at least 28 25 pips there, but it didn't move up. Yeah, it did move down like after that, but what it did, like this kind of close with no wick at the bottom, this kind of close bullish. And when this kind of close bullish, I was like, all right, so I close half there, manage my risk, and I stopped out at, like that was the full stop loss there. But the thing is, I manage my risk. That was beautiful thing. And this is the trade on GJ. It was on 5th. uh, 5th, I think I have to go to the 30-minute time frame. Oh, I remember this trade. Yeah, what what I did there, I was like, that trade was taken on the CPI news. When CPI come, I said to the boys, hey man, listen, I'll go for a sell if the numbers came worse than expected. And the numbers came worse than expected, and I took a sell. It came in like 15 16 pips in profit. And I was like, man, yeah, man, I don't wanna like move my stop loss to break even. I really wanna hold this trade for at least, like, my stop loss was 30 pips. And I was like, man, I really wanna hold this trade for at least 30 pips, 35 pips. But when I was about to take this trade, like, the same day I see the setup on the gold, and I closed this trade. And then I took the trade on gold. You can see the same dates, like 15th of November. The next trade was also 15th of November. And yeah, let's go to the 15th of November trade. What we did on the 15th. Yeah, we were looking for, I also know this. I also know this trade. Yeah, we were looking for the trade. Actually, where is the, all right. So that was the 4-hour candle open. And I was only waiting for the candle, like, on the 1-hour time frame. This candle closed very nice, and I was only waiting for a good bottom wick for the 4-hour time frame, and for the 1-hour time frame, and for the 30-minute time frame, so I can execute the trade. But what happened, this candle did not create a bottom wick. So I was like, man, I'm not taking the trade. I have to wait for the best setup. So I wait for the best setup, and didn't find the bottom wick on the 4-hour candle. And then I was like, yeah, now we have a new range. If we can get the closure above the range, so I'll go for a trade. And this kind of close above the range. I said to myself, hey man, this is the last 15-minute candle of the 1-hour candle, so I have to wait for the 1-hour candle to close. If this candle close above the range, because this candle also have no had no bottom wick, so I was like, maybe this candle came down, give this candle a bottom wick, and then came up. So this is why I said to myself, yeah, I will wait for the 15-minute candle to close. And this 30-minute candle close above the range. Also, we have 1-hour candle close above the range, 30-minute candle close above the range. We have 15-minute salary play. And as this candle break the high, I go into this sell, and stop loss was 15. I think it was below this candle or this candle. I don't remember now, but yeah, but as this trade came in, like, I secured like 12 13 pips there. And yeah, call it a day. And the next trade is, oh, it is also on the oh, right, so it is on the 20th of November. Let's go to the 20th of November. So let's see where yeah, man. All right, so let's show you this, man. Let's show you this. So what we see, like, we were coming down. Look at this. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I was like, yeah, man, that's it. I go on the trade. And as this kind of close bullish, I know this kind of close bullish, very weak bullish, but I was not sure. Like, I was like, no, man, like, this kind of close bullish, I have to cut this trade now. As this kind of came down for a bottom wick, and it rejected from this area one more time, and as it came to my entry point, I was like, all right, that's it. I closed this trade. Like, if I didn't close the trade, that would have stopped me out. But yeah, that's it. That was the plan. Always plan the trade and trade the plan. Nothing else, man. Nothing else. So this is the another trade. This is another win. Yeah, this is another win on gold. And this trade was taken on the 22nd of the November. 22nd of November. Let's see, 22nd of November. We have 20, 21, 27. Oh, wow, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. And yeah, same setup, same thing, clean range on the left hand side. and I was looking for the breakout because we were in the range, looking for the breakout, and yeah, as this candle, like you can see, like potential buyers close above, as this candle close above the range, and if we go to the 15-minute time frame, this candle close with no wick at the top. So when the candle close with no wick at the top, is there any trade for us? No, because there is a 50-50 chance, and we don't take the trades on the 50-50 chance. So what I did, like I wait for the candle to close, and when this candle closed like this, I was like, yeah, man, this is now we will go for an extra confirmation, and I have my buy stop above this candle, and I have my stop loss below this candle. And but when this candle breaks the low of this candle, I was like, now this candle is eliminated by this candle. Now I'll go for a buy as this candle break its own high, and that was basically on the 30-minute time frame. And when this candle was about to close, I was like, maybe it closed with no wick at the top, and the next candle can come down with a like with a huge volume. But I close half there in like 11 10 11 pips. I close another half in 16 pips, another half in 22 pips, and I closed the full trade in 27 pips. And that was the best trade, man. The best trade for me like this. And the next trade was taken on 24th of November, where we took the, and I know, I think this is, that was a sell. No, 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 that was a buy. Oh, yeah. I did the live stream on 24th of November, and I was like, yeah, man, I have to do the live stream today. And that was the area that I was looking for, like candle to close above the range, and I said this is no trade range for me, and I'm not looking for any kind of buys there. Even though we have the bearish candle for like previous daily candle was bearish, but I was like, no, man, I only have to take the buy there. And as this candle, like in the last 3-4 minutes, this candle like come off like a bomb, like it just came up close right above the range. And I know that was a very very small wick, top wick, and I was like, yeah, if the next candle can give me a good steeper bottom wick, I'll go for a buy, I'll go for a trade. And as this candle came down with a for a good steeper bottom wick, I placed my buy stop there, and my stop loss was like 19 pips, and I take like 18 pips there. That was 1 to 1, and I was like, yeah, man, that's it, I'm improving. I'm taking the good risk to reward now, because I have only one problem, and that is risk to reward. And all the trades that I took on the live stream was like 1% risk or less than a percent risk. Like if I go with a like 2% risk, I would have up like 4 5% on this account. In this month, I am up 3.8 or 3.7, something like that. I'm up in this month, but overall on this account I am up 1%. And if I could go with like 2% risk on every trade, I would have up like 4 5% on this account, and 8 9% for the month. And if you take it as a perspective, like if I am making $185 for the week on the $5,000 account, and that will be the $1,800 for the $50,000 account, and that will same as like $3,500 for the $100,000 account, and that will be a $35,000 on the $1 million account. So we always count the trades in pips, and we always look at the gains by the percentage, not by the money. Because money is, for me, like it is not as important as people think, but the important thing is like pips, like how you plan your trade, how you manage your trade. This is the best thing. So let's go to the let's go to this trade that was taken on 29th of November. Yeah, 29th of November. Even though I know trend was heavily up, but I was like, yeah, if I can get the closure below the range, I'll go for a sell. So there was no if and but for me at the time. So as this kind of closed below the range, I was like, that's it. Now all I need is just like top wick, then I'll go for a buy or I'll go for a sell. So as this candle, it I was slipped like one pip, but that doesn't matter. Like we can't complain for that. We can't make excuse like slippage. It happens. So stop loss was like before that I kept my stop loss like 21 pips, and I close half at 12 pips. I close 75 or more than 75% at 16 pips, and then I just move my stop loss to break even, and I got stopped out at break even. And that was the thing. And this is also another uh, that was a win. Actually, I took this trade on my second account, and that was yeah, you can see this. Like that was actually I was feeling nervous, and I said to guys, "Hey man, listen, I'm feeling nervous now. My gut feelings are saying, hey, because I yeah. One more thing I wanna tell you guys is like uh, I increase my risk. I usually take risk like less than 1%, and I on that trade I go with a 1.5% risk. And my gut feelings were saying like, man, like I took the high risk. This 30-minute candle has no good top wick, so maybe it just came up, and like for 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes there was no like volume, and I was like, maybe it just came up. And I hold this trade on this account for like, as this candle closed with no wick at the bottom. Yeah, now you can understand why I don't like candles that close. I don't like bearish candles that close with no wick at the bottom, and why I don't like bullish candles that close with no wick at the top. This is the reason, because this is like 50-50, or this is like more of a reversal. And as this candle closed with no wick at the top, I said, hey, that's it, close the trade. So that was a W for the analysis, that was W for people, but that was not W for like, yeah, I closed the trade at break even there. And the last two trades were taken in the NY session, that was off stream trades. Yeah, I can show you these trades too. Oh, where? Yeah, let's find the GJ trade. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So that was a simple trade. Like on the 1 hour time frame, this candle closed like this. We created a new low, and I was like, yeah, it's time to retest this low. And I have my sell stop there. Again, slip 2 pips there, and as I said before, we can't uh, like complain the spreads, slippage. I took the trade there. It goes like a 9.5 pip in profits, and I was like, no man, I have to take like at least 20 pips, 22 pips, 18 pips. But yeah, it like I could have uh, moved my stop loss to break even, but I said no man, I'll, because that was just a test trade, because there was a news. And as this kind of closed like this bullish, I closed the trade, and yeah, basically manage the risk. That was off the oh, that wasn't on the live stream. That was like, I just took this trade. This is whatever. And these two trades, this is the same idea. Yeah, that was the idea, same idea. Oh, yeah. If we go to the 30-minute time frame, we can see this. like here. So this candle close below the range on the 30-minute time frame, and as this candle came up, create a top wick, rejected from this area, and I took the first entry that I closed in 12 pips in profit. I took the second entry that I first closed 15 pips, and I closed the full trade at 22 pips. And yeah, now you can see this. Now you can see this. I am what we did today. We have to go to November. Yeah, so you can see this like $183. I'm up $183 in this month, and I am up like $53 in this month. This is like I'm up 1% on my account. That's it. That was the whole breakdown of the trades that were taken on the live stream. And if you are not watching the live stream, man, just just subscribe the channel and make sure to come on the channel every day in the pre-learning and learning session, man. Like we are giving the free knowledge. Why you don't want to take the free knowledge, man? You have to come to the stream every day, and make sure to like this video so we can so this video can go to the hundreds of thousands of people, so they can like also learn something from this video. Yeah, that was the breakdown of the whole November month, man. And I always said this thing, like if you can't explain your trade, man, then your trades are not good. This is just a fluke, and this will never gonna work on the next time. So this is the thing you have to understand, man. So that was the whole breakdown. Take care, guys. Take care.